Hello guys, Amit this side. In this video, I'll show you how to connect your WhatsApp with your Facebook Ads Manager so that customers who are interested in your product or services, they can reach out to you via Facebook chat. But before moving forward, make sure that you install WhatsApp Business application on your phone because this setting works only for WhatsApp Business account. If you're using the normal regular WhatsApp, then you will not able to use this feature. So make sure that you install WhatsApp Business application. To link your WhatsApp account, just click here, add WhatsApp account. Here, select your country code. Then type your WhatsApp number, click on continue. Now you will get a verification code on the number you are provided. So I got a verification code from Facebook on my WhatsApp. It's a 5-digit code. So let me enter here, click continue. Once your WhatsApp account is linked with the Facebook Ads Manager, then come over here, click on assign people, then select your name, and on the right hand side, select full control, and then click assign. Then click done. Once you've done this, you will see your name here and all the associated permission with this WhatsApp number. Make sure that you are selected full control over here. Okay, so complete this part, and if you're facing any challenges, just drop a comment and I'll reply you over there. And if you're looking for immediate assistance, I have provided all my contact details within the video description. Just go and check it out. In the next video, I'll show you how to create Facebook pixel or dataset which is required to track your real-time events. So in the next video, we'll see all the part related to Facebook pixel or dataset. So till then, complete your WhatsApp application linking with the Facebook Ads Manager, and I'll see you in the next video.